As heavy wind and rain from Hurricane Florence has left parts of the southeastern United States underwater and without electricity, many are using gas generators to power up their homes. But toxic fumes from those generators have caused at least 2 deaths. Now, a Vancouver company says it has the solution to prevent more casualties and is lending a hand in the relief effort.
It's basically plug and play. It's completely silent and emission-free.
It's a power generator that runs completely on electricity, which it generates from solar power. Vancouver-based company Portable Electric plans to send these power stations and solar panel kits to the Carolinas. Each one will provide enough clean energy to power several homes.
The biggest challenge in a relief effort is access to fuel. So these actually reduce the fuel supply chain risk. They can be fully charged from solar, wind as well, and are plugged into the grid. And they can also be used indoor and outdoor and in a variety of different situations that really make it a lot more versatile.
Gas-powered generators can be deadly without proper ventilation. South Carolina grandparents Mark King and Debbie Ryan died from carbon monoxide poisoning after using a gas generator to power their home. This is the first time Portable Electric is supplying generators for disaster relief, but before hurricane victims can be helped, the company needs some help of its own with shipping.
We're actually looking for a transportation partner to help ship 12 of our VoltStack power stations.
But Rabin is confident these generators will make their way to the Carolinas and stay there for as long as people need them.
They will be heading down there, so we will make that happen.
In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.